The fast urbanization and overpopulation has overstretched the urban transport system, leading to congestion, delay, pollution, and ineffective public transportation, particularly major cities such as Kuala Lumpur. Despite the availability of the infrastructure of the transport system, poor coordination, the absence of real-time data, and insufficient incorporation of technology make it less dependable and less trusted by the user. The paper emphasized the fact that the key to achieving efficiency, sustainability, and urban mobility does lie in the adoption of integrated smart technology in public transportation system, including real-time tracking, smart traffic control, and centralized digital system.
Malaysia's smart public transport system is supported by government agency with the Ministry of Transport setting policies and agency managing integrated service like buses, LRT, MRT, and e-hailing using smart technologies.
Transport cooperatives plays a very important role in providing public transportation services such as buses, minibuses, and last-mile connections, especially within local communities. With the development of smart public transportation system, cooperatives are encouraged to adopt technologies like GPS tracking, digital payments, and automated scheduling. These systems help improve service reliability, reduce delay, and enhance financial transparency, allowing cooperatives to remain competitive with modern e-hailing services. However, many cooperatives face challenges such as limited budget, low digital literacy, and resistance to change. Despite these challenges, cooperatives are still crucial because their local knowledge ensures that smart transportation solutions truly meet passenger needs. Therefore, strong collaboration with government agency and technology providers is necessary to support cooperatives in adapting to smarter public transport systems. For environmental organization, it plays an important role in the development of smart public transportation system by ensuring that technological advancement truly benefit the environment. They support the use of smart routing, real-time traffic management, and electric or hybrid buses to reduce carbon emissions and improve air quality. While they welcome the shift from private vehicles to shared public transport, they also raise concern about increased energy use, electronics waste, and the environmental impact of smart technologies. Overall, the environmental organization advocate for a responsible and transparent implementation so that smart transportation system remains sustainable in the long term.
Smart transport improve government agency through better planning, coordination, and real-time system that provide safer, more reliable service while reducing congestion and pollution. But it also faces challenges such as high cost, technical issue, and urban-rural coverage and complex bureaucracy that can slow decision making.
The impact of smart public transportation system on transport operators bring both positive and negative effects. On the positive side, real-time vehicle traffic improves operational efficiency by helping operators manage fleets, optimize routes, and reduce delays. Automated fare system and digital ticketing also reduce administrative workload and improve financial record keeping. In addition, operators can better monitor driver performance, fuel usage, and vehicle maintenance, which leads to improved service quality and stronger competitiveness against e-hailing platforms. However, there are also challenges: high implementation costs, skill gaps among drivers and staff, and resistance to change can slow adoption, especially for smaller cooperatives. Technical issues such as system failures or poor connectivity may also disrupt operations and affect passenger trust. Smart public transportation systems have both positive and negative impact on environmental organizations. On the positive side, they support sustainability goals by encouraging people to shift from private vehicles to shared transport, which helps reduce carbon emissions. Digital data such as fuel usage, pollution levels, and traffic patterns also improve monitoring and strengthen environmental campaigns. The use of greener technologies like electric or hybrid buses, smart traffic lights, and optimized routing helps reduce air and noise pollution, while smart applications raise public awareness about environmental benefits. However, there are also challenges. Environmental goals may be overlooked if operators and governments focus more on cost savings. And there is a risk of greenwashing where technology is used without real emissions reductions. In addition, increased use of electronic device can lead to e-waste issues, and smart systems require significant energy consumption, which may reduce some environmental benefits.
So I'm going to present the community organization. What is community organization? Community organization represent the interests and well-being of local residents. They also provide feedback on transport quality, accessibility, and mobility challenges. They advocate for vulnerable groups such as the elderly, low-income individual, and person with disability. And also they act as a link between the public and government agency. Next is they promote equitable and exclusive smart transportation policy. And the last one is they help raise awareness, encourage public participation, and ensure smart system benefit all members of society. So the positive impact on community organization is they can access to real-time and usage data, strengthen to advocacy for better roads, accessibility, and services. And the next one is the more reliable transport services help vulnerable group plan essential trips more effectively. And the next is the opportunities increase for partnership with authorities on a pilot project and community programs. And the last one is they reduce car dependence, lead to cleaner air, safer street, and also improve and public health outcome. Next is the negative impact on it. Digital-based system can exclude vulnerable groups, increasing the support burden on community organization. Next is the data collection raise privacy and also surveillance concern with a limited community influence over data governance. And next is the decentralized technology decision may reduce local control and sideline grassroots participation. And the last one is the automation and service optimization can displace community-run services and also affect staff or volunteer roles, requiring adoption and retaining.
Malaysia's smart public transport improved daily travel with real-time updates, cashless payment, QR ticketing, and mobile apps. It helped passengers plan trips efficiently, reduce waiting time, and enjoy safer, more accessibility and reliable transportation for all, including the elderly and people with disabilities. Smart transportation improved passenger travel by saving time through real-time updates, cashless payment, and better connectivity, making journeys more convenient and safe. However, overcrowding during peak hour, system disruption, and limited accessibility can still cause delays and difficulties for some passengers, especially the elderly and families with children.
Alright, this slide shows the challenges and opportunities of smart public transportation. So for the challenges, first, our digital infrastructure is still limited. Many transport systems are not fully integrated yet. Second, the cost of implement and maintain smart technology is quite high. Third, public adaptation is still low because some users are not familiar with the system. And lastly, they are concerned about cybersecurity and data privacy. But on the bright side, there are many opportunities. Smart systems can improve efficiently and reduce traffic congestion. They also support environmental sustainability by reducing carbon emissions. Users will have a better experience through mobile apps and smart ticketing, and decisions can make based on real-time data. To overcome this issue, we suggest several solutions. We can develop a full integrated digital platform. We can encourage partnership between the government and private sector. From the stakeholder perspective, the government gets more accurate data and less congestion. Transport operators become more efficient but need training. Passengers enjoy safer, faster, and more reliable journeys. Business benefit from better customer flow, and technology providers gain more opportunities to innovate. Overall, smart transportation helps solve current problems and move us toward a smarter and more sustainable city.
Smart public transportation system in Malaysia use ICT such as GPS, IoT, ITS, real-time data, and cashless payments to reduce congestion, improve efficiency, enhance passenger experience, and support sustainable urban mobility. Although supported by government agency, operator, passenger, and environmental groups, implementation faces challenges like high cost, digital apps, and low adoption and cybersecurity risks. However, with better coordination, digital infrastructure, literacy, and data-driven planning, smart transport can significantly improve reliable, inclusive, and eco-friendly urban transportation.